Platt Coiler has been supplying the electric coil heating industry with the highest quality coiling equipment since 1953. Today, our American-made products combine cutting-edge manufacturing technology with time-tested functionality. The World Model 3000 is a versatile coiling machine that can handle a wide range of wire and coil diameters, while the heavy-duty Brute Coiler extends that range by coiling even heavier gauge wire and larger coil diameters. Electric coil manufacturers love Platt coilers because of their flexibility, their durability, their replaceable parts, and their ease of use. Getting started on a coiling job is easy. The operator sets the program and starts the job through a PLC interface. The three-phase 230-volt motor activates the spindle and drive shaft, producing consistent, high-quality coils. A customizable air cutter cuts each coil according to the program, and automated gate components organize the coils. Further processing, like stretching, can then be performed to bring the coils to their ideal dimensions and resistivity. Our coilers can produce a variety of coil configurations, including single, triple, or space-wound coils. With an optional add-on, they can even produce porcupine coils. Both the World Model 3000 and the Brute Coiler are compatible with flat or standard resistance wire. The World Model 3000 can coil wire as thin as 30 gauge and as thick as 15 gauge, with coil inner diameters from 31 thousandths to 3/8 of an inch and maximum outer diameters of 1 inch. The Brute Coiler is designed for heavy-duty coils and can handle wire between 20 gauge and 8 gauge, with coil inner diameters from 80 thousandths to 1/2 inch and maximum coil outer diameters of 1 1/4 inches. Custom add-ons increase these ranges even further. The Brute Coiler includes a number of specialized components to ensure consistent quality and durability through the toughest coiling jobs, including a 3-horsepower drive motor producing 3 times more power, a universal U-joint drive shaft that allows for high coiling forces and torques, and an air intensifier that more than doubles the force of the air cutter. Platt Coiler has been trusted for over 70 years, and for good reason. Our coilers are built to last. All Platt Coiler equipment and accessories are made in the USA. Designed using SolidWorks 3D CAD systems, CNC machined from billet and castings, and assembled and tested by our experienced technical staff. We stock a full catalog of spare parts, upgrades, and tooling to keep your Platt coilers running optimally for decades. For startup and ongoing support, Platt Coiler's dedicated team is available on call to help with installation, setup, and troubleshooting. Platt Coilers are the first step to take your coiled heating element manufacturing to the next level. Contact us today to get started.